Here at the Cramer Nature Preserve. I'm going to show you this great art installation that was put up here by a team I've worked with, and it looks beautiful. Just to embrace the summer solstice this year, we created a sun entirely out of fragments. And this installation will be here for about a week, and it's super vibrant, shining. Come check out Nature's Long Memory at the Cramer Nature Preserve. It's a prompt that asks us, what are your roots? And to me, honestly, my roots is the earth. It's really nice coming to this preserve. You can find all types of wildlife, from herbs to fungi to little animals, insects. You just find them throughout the whole preserve. No matter where you look, you just gotta look carefully is all. All throughout here, you can find this invasive plant, Japanese knotweed. Here, with a little bit of patience, I was able to find a praying mantis on the hunt. It's directly beneath a ladybug, and I do believe that is what it's looking for. I'm honestly not too sure what I was looking at here. It looks like there was at least 4 or 5 beetles trying to eat this one beetle, but there's actually 5. Ultimately, you would think there's a choice here. Nature has gave me 2 paths, the uphill or the downhill, and it kind of all relies within me. I make the decision, and I know for a fact that whatever path I take, there's going to be beauty on the other side. And right across from me is Petty's Island. I honestly can't wait for it to be open so I can start hiking and exploring the island. And there's Philadelphia right over there. And right here is a little pocket of water right on the trail. Sometimes it could be a pocket of mud, but I do know that turtles and frogs and some insects love to come here to chill out, bask a little bit, take a sip of water. You'll find these throughout the whole trail, all throughout the preserve. Just wanted to bring awareness to the attempts made to seize any ATV or dirt bike activity going on here at the preserve, only because there is wildlife living within these trails. You could find all types of little animals, from frogs, turtles, garter snakes, and insects. Here are some fungi I found out through my adventures. I do love taking pictures of fungi and mushrooms all throughout my hiking trips, so here are a few. Here are some insects I find throughout my hiking trips. There's this pond here at the preserve where you can find tons of turtles, anywhere between painted turtle to red-eared sliders. As you can see here, a bunch of turtles basking on one log. You could also find a snapping turtle from time to time, just basking. And here we are at the end of the preserve. I want to give thanks to Earth and nature for providing me with such beauty and such an experience that I can see through my own eyes. Appreciating all life, I made this video to bring awareness to legal dumping, ATV, dirt bike use within this wildlife, just to help keep maintaining.